Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is just basically do a bit of glazing and build up some of the colours and the warmth of the flesh, and let's see what happens. So for those who are noobs to oil painting, what is glazing? It's a term that you hear quite early on. Glazing is an indirect painting method where the painting is built up with thin, slightly oily, transparent layers of paint over a dry, opaque underpainting. Because the layers are thin and transparent, light travels through the layers and bounces off the underpainting and creates beautiful luminosity and subtle colour effects that wouldn't be achievable through direct or other primer painting. These are the colours I used for glazing the skin tones. They are all artist quality Winsor & Newton pigments. We have permanent rose, light red, and gold ochre, and even though they look a little bit grubby and old from my paint box, they still work perfectly fine. By keeping the layers thin and transparent, I'm able to add warmth to the flesh with these colours, but still balance the cools by allowing the grey-greenish verdaccio to come through. Try not to use more than 2 to 3 colours at a time in glazing. This gives you better control of your colour mixing and temperatures, allowing you to adjust the chroma and the tinting strength and prevent muddying of your colours. Remember, you can just follow the link to my blog for more information. see, I also worked on the hair, the blue dress and the background. It's important when painting portraits especially to paint the surrounding area of the subject. It's amazing how colours and values can influence each other when juxtaposed. And because I made the background and the dress a little bit cooler, immediately the skin appeared to be brighter and a little bit warmer. I prefer to paint in thin, successive, semi-transparent layers of paint than one thick, opaque layer, which is more susceptible to cracking and other defects. So my next step is to allow the painting to dry for a few days. Then I'll add a bit more glazing, build up the chroma, and then start adding details, highlights and shadows. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's more details in my blog below which I haven't discussed here. And don't forget to subscribe or you'll be sad forevermore.